ThromboGenics is a biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the development and commercialization of innovative medicines for eye diseases.
ThromboGenics is a biotech company that started in 1991 as a spin-off of the University of Leuven. We have developed a product called Jetrea that basically cures certain diseases at the back of the eye, the retinal diseases. Retina is the piece in the back of the eye that captures the light. So far we have treated over 10,000 patients, and so we were able to basically prevent certain operations in those patients, and that we see as a big success.
The retina is the thin layer in the back plate of our eye. When the vitreous pulls on the retina will become swollen and the visual acuity will decrease. The patient will have difficulties to read.
Tijdens het lezen werd ik geconfronteerd met een onduidelijkheid qua zinnen. Alles werd een beetje in de kern van het woord wazig en was niet meer leesbaar.
Before, patients such as Daniel could only be helped with a surgical intervention, also called a vitrectomy.
This is a surgery by which the gel is removed from the eye. It is a very delicate procedure. The patient usually needs anesthesia, needs to stay for a couple of days in the hospital, and it takes several weeks before the patient is well healed. And the patient usually has to sleep for a couple of days face down.
Jetrea, the drug developed by ThromboGenics, in some cases can rule out the need for complex eye surgery.
With Jetrea we like to intervene earlier when the disease is still fully curable, and the main advantage is that Jetrea is given by an ambulatory injection. The patient does not require anesthesia, does not require to sit face down, and usually can already leave the hospital after 1 hour.
Het was een kortstondige behandeling en na een uurtje was ik terug naar huis. En na enkele dagen had ik het zicht teruggewonnen en kon ik teruglezen.
Jetrea is an example of a drug developed thanks to biotechnology.
Jetrea is a copy of a human protein called plasmin. The genetic code of plasmin we have basically implanted in a yeast cell, and it is the yeast cell producing the product. Jetrea is also the first product that was brought to market by a Belgian biotech company, ThromboGenics, and developed it from the lab bench all the way to the market.
In the near future, ThromboGenics expects the market for this product will increase even more.
In the world there's many people with diabetes, and if that diabetes is not well controlled, it develops into eye problems and can eventually lead to blindness. So one of the plans we have is to start testing Jetrea in exactly that disease to prevent eye disorders in the back of the eye with people with diabetes. This indication with people with diabetes is exactly what the company wants to continue doing. Develop innovative medications to treat disorders of the back of the eye.